No worries. If you were with us at 6:20, you'll have with 10 ways to keep cash in your pocket this Christmas. And now the folks from AIM Financial are helping you out with their 3-month cashback promotion. So marketing officer Tsahai Morgan, it's Tsahai. Tsahai Morgan is with me. I'll carry it quick. Welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning and welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thank you.
Is it AIM or AIM?
AIM.
So I said it right then.
You said it
so
right.
So I get some of the things right. You're lending some money, and you have a 3-month thing. What do you mean by I get cash back? Explain how it's going to.
All right. So we are a lending institution, especially for the small people out there that would normally be declined by the bigger banks and so forth. And so for a 3-month cashback promotion, whenever you pay your monthly installment, so you say you pay November, you get back your money that you paid for November. December, when you pay back your loan, you get back your money for December. January, when you pay for your loan, you get back that money. So it is more cash to flow around to do what you need for this holiday season.
I don't understand that. So I not pay back the loan then? So when I start to pay back the loan, after the 3 months?
After the 3 months. But there are some conditions to it. So
I get back everything I pay? So like if I have to pay, say, 40,000 a month?
You get back the 40,000. Once the funds come to us and it's cleared by our accounts, you get it back whether in check or to your account.
I'm trying to figure out the benefit to me, the borrower, in all of this.
The benefit is because of this season where most persons need more money in hand to spend for what they want. So you come in, you will get your loan approved, and now you have to pay back for the loan. But some persons are still cash strapped during this period because they want to buy the gifts, they want to fix up the house, and now they have to pay back the loan. And so we're saying, all right, come into us, get your loan, but you, in essence, don't start to pay back your loan until 3 months' time. But our systems need it to come in to clear you,
okay.
and then you get it
I understand
back.
what you're saying. So basically you're saying I really don't pay nothing for 3 months.
Essentially.
But you just want to ensure that I am capable
Correct.
of paying it.
That is
so
it.
I give you the 40,000 and you say, all right, this man can manage. Say a 40,000. Don't give me nothing till next month. I do the same thing.
Correct.
All right, I understand that. Because you need to know that I am capable. But would you not have checked that before?
The thing is, a lot of persons, we are people of habit, and they say once you do something over and over, then the habit forms. 3 months' time, some persons don't pay back the loan, and then they forget that, you know, 4th month, they need to start paying.
Okay.
So a habit is formed to be a good person who pays back your loan, and that helps with your credit as well, because nowadays people are checking your credit, checking to see that you can pay on time, and that is how you can be approved even more for your upcoming things.
How long is this approval thing takes? And what about the money? Is there a specific amount of money? I mean, there's a limit to how much I could borrow?
Depending on your risk profile, that will limit you to how much you can borrow in the first place. But once you are approved for whatever amount it is, then whatever your monthly or your weekly or your fortnightly payments are, that is what you will be receiving back.
So this say borrow from 20,000 up to 3.3 million.
Correct.
It says same-day approval for personal loans.
Yes.
Same-day approval? And how quickly I get after they approve me, how quickly I get them?
After approval, 1 to 3 days, the funds are dispersed.
Okay. Referral rewards from if I bring somebody?
Correct.
So if I bring in Marvin and him alone, what I get? Money?
Yes, you actually get a percentage of his loan applied. You can either apply it to your loan or you get that back.
Yeah. How much do you know want a loan? All right, so I'll bring it. No, I'm not bringing it. Because if him don't pay it, it's me going to have to pay it. No,
it depends on who is his guarantor. So if you're his guarantor, then
no,
he may fall on you.
I am not his guarantor. We just have to bring him come. All right, so where is AIM? You have different...
We have 8 locations at the moment.
Right across the country?
Right, so we have 3 in Kingston. Our head office is at West Kings House Road. We have one at Pavilion Mall, at Kingston Mall. Then in Maypen, we have at Bargain Village Mall. In Mandeville, at Bankhouse Mall. In Ocho Rios at Sonis Plaza, that's our newest branch. In Spanish Town at Oasis Plaza. Am I forgetting anyone?
No, man, that's your memory.
And
good.
Portmore. We have a Portmore at Sovereign Village Mall.
Brilliant. It's the same day approval for personal loans as opposed to if a business went to borrow.
Correct, because for business loans we do assess the business, so it will take a little bit more time.
What I need to bring if I come in for the loan?
All right, Essentials for any loan, you come in with your ID,
Yeah.
your TRN,
Yeah.
2 passport size photographs. You also taking a
Why
job.
you need the photograph? You know me sitting in front of you.
So, remember, Neville, not everybody's face is as recognizable as yours, you know.
No, but I'm saying if I bring my ID, you know, says me. So.
The photographs go on our forms. So you
Okay,
take the
right.
ID to say, yes, this is you, this is
Yeah,
your name,
yeah.
your age, etc.
Yeah.
But the photographs just go on our form. So the loan officer, whether they're there or not, can go and identify the person afterwards.
What else I need?
All right, we also need a job letter if you're employed to a company. We also need your last 3 months pay slips. And am I forgetting anything?
No, you remember good. You're not forgetting. There's an age limit to borrowing money.
You must be working. So if
Oh.
you are working, then that is the age that you start at. There's
Hey.
no age limit. So you should be working for at least a year. And if you're self-employed, likewise, you're in that employment for at least a year, whatever it is that you're doing. So that is where...
So self-employed would be the same as like you're borrowing for a company, not a personal loan.
No, man, self-employed, you're borrowing for yourself. So let's say
But I'm borrowing for my company.
Some
matter.
persons borrow to build their business,
Right.
and that would fall under our business loans
Okay.
category. But for self-employed, a higgler or someone who owns a barbershop, they may want a loan to pay their student school fee. So that's not related to their business.
Okay.
So they can still get a personal loan.
Okay. But if I want to improve and expand my barbershop, then that is a business loan.
Right.
I understand these things now. Fantastic. All right. So I just need to come in,
Correct.
bring
Bring
the
the
documentation that you told me about, tell you how much I want. You either approve or don't approve in 1 day. And if you approve in about 2 or 3 days, I get my money.
That is it.
And I don't pay nothing. Well, I have to pay, but I'm getting back the money
You're getting
that I
back
paid
the money.
for 3 months.
Correct.
Brilliant. I understand fully now. Thanks.
But we haven't touched our car loans, though.
You have a car loan thing
Yes,
too.
we do
Well,
have
tell
car
me about
loans.
the car loan thing.
And it still applies to the 3 months cashback promotion. So if you need a car, we finance up to 86% of the vehicle cost and up to 8 years to repay, depending on how long you want to take to repay your car loan, up to $2.8 million to apply to that car loan. And we also have specials for taxi operators.
Hold on. What do you mean by up to 2.8 million? Don't you say 86% you cover?
Yes, 86% up to $2.8 million.
Okay. So if the car costs $9 million,
The max wheel finance is 2.8.
2.8. Fantastic. All right.
And a special for taxi operators. So if they have a taxi already on the road and they want to expand their fleet, we have a special percentage for those taxi operators.
So for a car loan, you can't get more than 2.8 million.
Correct.
Any car.
There are some limitations, but you speak with the loan officer and they'll explain.
Tsahai, you know your stuff. Thanks for coming. It was great meeting you.
Thank you, Neville.
So go out, and if you want some money for Christmas, ask for the great Tsahai. Just ask for Mrs. Tsahai Morgan. Tell her that you see her on Smile Jamaica, and she will give you drop something for you. She will give you like a discount and something, don't?
Just for you, Neville.
There you go. I set her up. All right, so that's Tsahai Morgan. She's marketing officer at AIM Financial.